Hi, we're Meat and Bone, and today we are cooking some turkey.
At Meat and Bone, we take immense pride in our commitment to sourcing only the finest farms and programs, and our Amish Raised Turkeys are no exception. These turkeys are a product of the Midwest, hatched, grown, and processed by local Amish family farmers. But what really sets our Amish turkeys apart is their diet and care. These birds are raised without hormones or steroids, and they're nourished with a vegetable and protein diet that contains no animal byproducts, artificial ingredients, or coloring agents. Let's explore a simple yet delicious approach to cooking these exceptional Amish raised turkeys.